are the same. I see the future in my hands, a new design. The world expands. No clock can tell me when to start. I'm healing life through mind and heart. Every breath rewrites the plan. A spark of light in all I am. The chaos comes a clearer view. Rhythm born alive and true. Rhythm of change.